Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Sonia from BPT department. Today we will discuss about topic antenatal exercises. Antenatal exercises are those exercises which are performed by pregnant women. What are the aims of these exercises? Aims of these exercises are to improve the physical and the mental health of mother and children, to ensure that the mother and her baby are in the best possible health, to detect early and treat proper complications. It offers educations for parenthood to prepare the woman for labor, lactations, and care of her infant, to develop awareness and control of posture during after pregnancy, to develop strength for demand of infant care as well as increased weight bearing and circulatory compromises, to prepare for labor, delivery, and postpartum activities. What are the contraindications of these exercise? If patients complaining about chest pain, abdominal and pelvic pain, dizziness, vaginal bleeding, headache, and sudden swelling on ankle and face, hands, then we stop the exercises. Guidelines for exercises: avoid any kind of jerky movements, warm up before exercises, followed by cool down post exercises. Do not exercise in supine positions for more than 5 minutes continuously. Encouragement for bladder emptying prior the sessions. Avoid exercises while standing on single leg. When we stop it, if patient complain about persist pain, leakage of amniotic fluid, vaginal bleeding, dizziness or fainting, then we stop the exercises. Sequences: first one is warm up exercises, then stretching, aerobic, posture exercises, strengthening exercises, pelvic floor exercises, cool down, and relaxation technique. For warm up, first is ATMs, ankle to movements, heel slides, then static quads, static hams, finger movements. Stretchings, neck muscle stretchings, scapular muscle and shoulder muscle stretchings, lower limb muscles like adductors and TA stretch. Aerobic exercises like walking, low impact aerobic classes, stationary cycle, swimming, low impact dancing, and jogging. Third is pelvic tilts in quadruped positions, wall slides like this, cat and camel exercises, bilateral upper limb strengthening exercises. In this, active exercises, use of dumbbell exercises, and use of resistance band. Then third one is pelvic floor exercises. First one is pelvic clock, Kegel exercises, and static glutes. Next is cool down exercises. Slow the pace of walking, cycling, etc. Deep breathing exercises like segmental breathing, thoracic expansion, diaphragmatic breathing exercises. Then relaxation techniques. Lying positions, lying with towel roll under the waist, at a right with pillow under the knee. Then do diaphragmatic breathing exercises, meditations, and light music may also be help. Body mechanics and posture training. Lying supine. Place a towel roll under the waist and a pillow under the knee. In side lying, place a pillow under the top thigh and knee to avoid pelvic rotations. In sitting positions, sit with hip and knee with a right angle. Back should be support. A pillow can be placed like this. A low stool can be used for foot support if required. Standing or walking. Walking is more preferred than standing. While standing, try to distribute weight equally. Avoid stooping. Avoid repetitive trunk rotations. Avoid forward bending. Instead, perform knee bending to lift up object from ground whenever required. Like this. Sleep positions. Next is positions for labor. Walking. Sitting on chair fully upright, sitting backwards on chair with legs apart like this. Thank you.